All right, second grade. Today we are going to pick up where we left off in Microsoft Word. We're going to do a little bit more. So let's remind ourselves how to find our file. You're going to click on the Start button. You're going to go to where it says My Computer, and in here you're going to find your folder, which should be right here. You're going to double click to open that up, and then you should find your folder in here. So just double click to open that up, and when you see that, you'll have your document open. Now let's just remind ourselves what we've done so far. We created a file with your name on it. We typed your name, we selected it, we changed the size, and then we went ahead and we changed the way it looked. Once we did that, we had the option of going ahead and changing some colors and doing different things like that to make it a little bit more interesting. So today, what I'd like you to do is I'd like you to add your last name to this list. And again, you can go ahead and you can select it again. You can change a different font if you want than your first name. And then again, if you want to choose a different color, or if you just want to choose one letter at a time, you can do that as well. Okay, so that when you're all done, when you finish your first name and your last name, and you're here, we are now going to insert some pictures. I'm going to give you an option to select 3 pictures to add to your screen. To do that, if you watch, I'm going up to the top where it says Insert. We're going to go over here to where it says Clip Art. It's very important that you choose Clip Art and not anything else. Now, a box is going to open up over here on the side, and the very first thing you need to do before you even start is you have to drop down this menu and put a check mark where it says Everywhere. If you don't do that, the computer will not go out on the internet and find pictures, and therefore you'd be very limited on what your choices would be. Now, you can search for things that you like, but it's important to remember that this is a very broad topic. You cannot type in things like Disney or Valley Fair or the name of a famous athlete or actress or singer that you want a picture of. The computer just simply isn't going to have that information. Those are copyrighted pictures, and Microsoft does not have access to those in this format. So you're going to choose broader topics. Like if I like something like hockey, I'm going to type in the word hockey, and spelling does count. So you're going to have to ask your sub to help spell things, or your neighbor to ask spell things, as long as you can do that quietly. Once you do that, click Go, and then you'll start to see some pictures appear down below. Once you find the picture that you want, you just click on it, and it will appear on your screen. You can increase the size by dragging a corner. You can decrease the size by clicking and dragging towards the middle. Okay? And then you can go ahead and once you have it where you want or how you want it to look, you're going to click somewhere off of your screen. And then you can go search for, another picture. Maybe it's something that you like to eat, like lasagna. As soon as I click OK, it's going to give me some pictures. Now, there aren't a lot to choose from, but they're all pictures of lasagna. So I can go ahead and click on it. It's going to appear here. Again, you can adjust the size as you want. Now, once you have 3 pictures, you can go ahead and exit out. And when you click exit, it's going to say, do you want to save your changes? And you're going to click yes. After you click yes, then you can go to free choice on web links. If you want to go to Mr. Darris's page, you may do that as well. Again, as long as you're quiet. If the substitute feels like you're too loud, then choice time may not be an option for you. So that's what we're going to do today. So once again, you're simply finishing your first name, you're adding your last name, you're adding some color to it, you're changing the size up here, you're changing the font, and then you're going to go to Insert, Clip Art. You will have this appear over here. Click where it says Everywhere. Click, type in what you're looking for, and click Go, and they should be all set. All right? Good luck.